What's up, guys? We're talking about how to find distressed jeans or shorts online. Before we get into it, I'm not picking that up. Okay. So especially 2018, we haven't been seeing distressed jeans or shorts of really good value and that's actually like popping out in fast fashion stores. So I'm gonna just tell y'all where to go and where to buy them at online. Let's start at the most basic stores. Forever 21 stores, they don't really have a lot to offer in the men's section. That's just how it is, or at least where I live or whatever. Online, they have a huge section for men. You guys probably already know that Forever 21 has low prices. Their products aren't really durable. They won't really last you long, but if you want to just get shorts for the rest of the summer, then go ahead, you can get them, but they won't last too many washes. And especially with fast fashion stores, you gotta be careful because sometimes they come off a little tacky. Yeah, the next store is Zara. So Zara is one of my favorite stores of all time. They have really high quality jeans and shorts. I just love how they make them. A lot of Zara's products, they come from walkways. I mean, fast fashion always come from walkways, but like they are more inspired than fast fashion stores. If that makes sense. Yeah, Zara is a little pricey, but they do last long. Unlike H&M and Forever 21, when you have to do a couple washes and you throw them away. So if you want to just save your money and then go out and buy them, that will be amazing. And then there's MNML. Not a lot of people know about this store, but it's an online store. There's more, no, I don't think there's any shorts on there, but there's really good distressed jeans if you're looking for them. They are a little pricey, like around 60, but they have really good, like their appearance is really good. It looks really grungy, like the actual ripped look. And unlike Forever 21, there's sometimes they just look like too much. They have really good appearance and they're high quality jeans. Just quick tips for shopping online. You want to look at the fabrics that they're using. With just a little bit of research, you can just see what is actually high quality fabric and what isn't. Because if you're bored with like the fast fashion or whatever, go thrifting. You know, you're gonna find some distress. You could find some distressed jeans there or shorts. You can find anything at a thrift store, so go thrifting, see what you can do if the online shopping doesn't work. If you guys want to see a video on how to tell if the clothes are really durable or not, yeah, just let me know. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video.